Abantu bayaqhubeka ukulahlekelwa imisebenzi kuleli. Abanye sebephosa ithawula emizamweni yokuthola imisebenzi. Ukwenyuka kwezibalo zabantu abangasebenzi kutshengisa ngokusobala ukuthi amabhizinisi ayehluleka ukulwa nomthelelo odalwe yi-COVID-19 njengoba izinkampani eziningi ziphoqeleka ukuthi zidilize izisebenzi.
So the 7.8 million people are unemployed as actively looking for employment. The 3.3 million people are your discouraged work seekers, but we also have another 800,000 people who didn't look for employment for other reasons other than discouragement. And when we bring those together, we come to 11.9 million.
Omunye obhekene nalenkinga yokungawuthola umsebenzi uNtando Mathebula wase Hazyview eMpumalanga.
Family income, it also pressing me down when it comes to looking for a job, because sometimes I might maybe ask for maybe money for transport. Maybe I have to be in Durban, I have to be in Cape Town, but they can't afford to offer me that amount. So I have to do something else in order for me to generate that money.
Isibalo esiphezulu sabantu abangasebenzi siba nomthelelo omubi nasekuqoqweni kwentela.
Already the fiscus is struggling to collect money from individuals. It will continue to struggle. I have no doubt that we are already overtaxed on the income tax side for individuals, and we are going to we're going to be between a rock and a hard place. We're going to run bigger budget deficits.
Isibalo sabantu abangasebenzi kulindele ukuthi senyuke futhi esigameni sesithathu sonyaka ngenxa yesibhilu.